Hello guys, welcome back to another video lecture on UMath Academy. These are going to be the never before and never after video lectures. So let's move on. So if you haven't watched the previous video lectures in this series, then please go through them so that you'll have a clear understanding of this course. So you'll find the links of this previous video lectures in the description, or else you can find an I symbol at the top of the video. You can click on that. Now, if you haven't, then please do like, share and subscribe to UMath Academy. So let's start our sixth video lecture in this series. So here, if you have gone through fifth video lecture, then there we have discussed the case where first we'll see an example in this case. So here in this case it is 383 into 99, but in the fifth video lecture we have discussed a case where we have equal number of digits on both these sides. Okay, see here we have 3 digits, here also we have 3 digits. Okay, so we have discussed in fifth video lecture where we have same number of digits on both the sides, on the LHS and the RHS, and we have I have said a trick how to solve these type of problems in the fifth video lecture. So if you haven't watched, then please go through that. So but here in the sixth video, the sixth trick is that we are going to have less number of digits on the right hand side, that is LHS. We are going to have less number of digits when compared to RHS. Okay, so this is RHS and this is LHS, like right hand side and left hand side, right? Okay, so here we have 3 digits, here we have only 2 digits, so we have less number of digits here when compared to here. Okay, so let's see how are we going to solve these type of problems. So it is 383 into 99, right? So 383 into 99. So how are you going to solve? See, it's just simple. The first step is that write whatever we have at the first place. Like at first place we have 3. It may be either 9, it may be either 7, it may be either 1. Whatever it is at the first place, you are going to write the same number. So here the first number is 3, so write 3 as it is. Now the second step is, so except the first one, what all digits we have, what all numbers we have, beside the first number, we are gonna subtract them with the first number plus 1. Like for suppose we have only 83, right? So we are going to write 83 and we are going to subtract 83 with the first number 3 plus 1. Okay, so that is 4. So we are going to subtract 83 with 4, so it is 79. So we are going to write 79 here. Now the next step is that I'll just erase this one. Okay, I think you understood the second step. Now let's see how we're gonna do the third step. Now the next step is that, see, we have how many number of digits here? Only 2. Okay, 99. So here we have only 2 digits. Okay, 1 and 2, so we have 2 totally. So here if we take 383, we are gonna move from this side. Okay, we are going to take 2 digits in 383, and that too we are going to count from this side, not from this side. Okay, we are not going to count from this side, we are going to count from this side. Okay, so let's see how we're going to do that. See, so here we have 1 and we have 2, so we are going to take only 83. Okay, so the step is that first numbers from this side, not from this side. Okay, so okay, now the first number should be subtracted by 10 and remaining all numbers should be subtracted by 9. But here we have only 8 here, like the next number we have to discard 3 over here, because we are going to take only 2 numbers, because here we have only 2 numbers, 99. So we are going to take up to 8 only. So first number should be subtracted by 10 from this side, and the remaining number should be subtracted by 9. Okay, so what are we going to get? 9 minus 8, we are going to get 1. 10 minus 3, we are going to get 7. So the answer is 37917. This is the answer. I know this is little bit tricky, but practice when we practice as many problems, so it's gonna be easy. Okay. Now let's just see another example. 9213 into 999. So the first case we have to see if we have same number of digits on both sides. So here in this case 9213 into 999, right? So here we have 4 digits, here we have 3 digits. So it's not the previous video lecture, like what we have discussed, it is not that trick. So we are going to follow what the trick that just we have discussed. Okay, so we have less number of digits, so we are going to follow today's trick. So I'll just say okay. Now how are you going to solve this? So it's just simple. What is the first? So write the first number as it is 9, and the remaining numbers should be subtracted by, I'll just write over here. Okay, remaining numbers should be subtracted by 9 plus 1, first number plus 1, that is 10. So we are going to subtract by 10. So 213 minus 10 is going to be 20, is going to be 203. Okay, 213 minus 10 is going to be 203. Okay, so where are we going to write that one? Beside 9. Okay, let's erase this all. Okay, okay, cool. Now so we have got 213 minus 9 plus 1 is like 10. So 213 minus 10 is going to be 203. Okay, so 9203. Now the third step is that, so here we have 3, right? So what I have said, we have to count from this direction. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So we are going to take only like 3 numbers, that is 2 1 3. So what I have said, this is the first number, right, from this side. Okay, so this is the second number, this is the third number. So we are going to take up to 3 digits only, because we have only 3 digits here. So what I have said, first number should be always be subtracted by 10, and the remaining all numbers should be subtracted by 9. Okay, now so what's the answer now? I'll just, so that you won't be confused. Okay, now see, 9 minus 2 is going to give us, 9 minus 2 is going to give us, we are going to write over here, 9 minus 2 is going to give us 7, 9 minus 1 is going to give us 8, 10 minus 3 is going to give us 7. Okay, so the answer is, so the answer is 9203787. Okay, so I think you are a bit clear now, like compared to the previous example. I think you are a bit clear now. Let's just see another example in this case. Okay, so it is 456626. Okay, 456626 into, let's just take 999 and 9. Okay, like so first what is the first step? Like we are going to count how many number of digits we have, like in RHS and LHS. So here we have 6 digits, here we have 4 digits. So we have less number of digits when compared to RHS, LHS, right? So we are going to follow sixth trick. When we have same number of digits on both the sides, we are going to follow fifth trick. Okay, so if you haven't watched the fifth video lecture, then please go through that. So now how are we going to solve this? So like same like previous example, you have to solve in the same manner, right? 4 as it is. Okay, now the next step is that remaining all numbers should be subtracted by 4 plus 1, like first number plus 1, that is 5. So 56626, 56626 minus 5, so we are going to get 56621. So it's just simple, right? Now the next step is, see, we are going to count, here we have 4 digits, so we are going to take, I'll just erase this. So what we have to do, we are going to, here we have 4 digits, right? So we are going to take 4 digits from this direction. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So we are going to take only up to these. Okay, so what I have said, first number should be subtracted by 10, remaining all numbers should be subtracted by 9. Okay, so now the answer we are going to write here. I'll just erase this. Okay, now the answer is, see, 9 minus 6 is going to give us 3, 9 minus 6 is going to give us 3, 9 minus 2 7, 10 minus 6 4. So the answer is 4 5 6 6 2 1 3 3 7 4. I think you're, you have clearly understood this trick. Okay, so if you're still like if you're thinking it's just like little bit tricky, then please practice as many problems as you can. Okay, so that you won't be confused. Now let's just see the last example. So it is 837238146. So I think I'll write directly over here the answer. Okay, without like doing like the actual calculation, I'll just uh, write the direct answer and like try to understand it. Okay, how did I do that? So the answer is 83723814117. And so how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So six number 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we are going to take seven numbers from here. 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we're going to take only 2 3 8 1 4 2 6. So what I have said, first number should be subtracted by 10 and remaining all numbers should be subtracted by 9. Okay, so 9 minus 2 is going to give us 7. I'm just writing continuing from here. Okay, 9 minus 2 is going to give us 7, 9 minus 3 is going to give us 6, 9 minus 8 is going to give us 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, and the last number, like the first number from this direction. Okay, 10 minus 6 is going to give us 4. So I hope like you understood this trick, and it's just simple. Like practice as many problems as you can so that you won't be confused and you'll be at good accuracy. Okay, and so these are some of the practice questions. Like practice not like practice not only these, but practice like other examples also. Okay, like we have discussed up to like six tricks till now. So practice problems on that, and like comment down these answers in the comment box. Okay, and as I say, practice makes man perfect. So practice as many problems as you can, and so that you won't be confused in between the tricks, and it gets you at good accuracy. Okay, so not only speed but accuracy is also important, right? So thank you, and if you haven't, then please do like, share and subscribe to UMath Academy. Thank you.